Alright guys, so we're going over to 10 Toes today. I got a call from Cam saying they needed some heat for a video. So I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna consign quite a few items, I think. Some of them are kind of like my rare items, I guess you could say, or shoes. So I'm gonna pick out all the shoes that I want to take. We're gonna pack it all up and then we're gonna head over there. So turns out we brought a lot more than I expected. We currently have this many. How many pairs was it?
Last time I counted it was like 50.
We're like a little over 50. About half my collection is probably like $25,000 worth of shoes. Probably 20, 15 to 20 is what I guess. So quite a lot. We're probably gonna have to take my mom's car because actually I hope this fits my mom's car. We'll see. Guys, so we finally got all the shoes in here. There is 52, 53, 54, I don't know, something like that. Yeah, it's like half my collection, maybe a little under. Quite a lot here. I'm gonna take it all to 10 Toes, get it consigned up and stuff. Hopefully we can get some pairs sold. I got some back here. I put kind of the more expensive stuff up there. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's kind of dark now. We waited a couple hours. I had to wait for UPS to pick something up. We're finally here. I don't even know what time it is, but we're very hungry. And we're about to get all these thrown in here. Then I'll probably come back in the morning. Then they probably can't even hear me.
That's an L, I'm sorry.
Sheesh. Freak, what do you think?
Crazy, bro. Ooh.
Damn, your friends are, that's gonna get you late. This being in the video.
You gotta throw these up at the top. Easy profit.
They're at 2.2 right now?
Get hacked. So it's about 3 minutes before the drop. I'm about to go for these YEEZYs right now. We'll see how it goes. They just added data dome to a couple sites, so proxies are kind of failing. Little worried, but hopefully we can do something nice here. Alright, I'm getting kind of nervous. It's that time of the night, or morning I guess it'd be. Proxy rate limited. I should not have used these. A little nervous about the proxy situation, boys. Like I said, I'm using old proxies. Not sure. And my stream's dying. Why is it dying? Bro, they're changing proxies heavy. Data dome's fucking us. Hopefully we can do some shit. I don't know. What are these called? Let me search YEEZY. See if anyone's checking out. Oh, there we go. There's one. Payment decline. Okay. There's 2 so far. I mean, not bad. There we go. We're starting to get checkouts on Cyber. I see them on my phone, but I can't see them. Oh, only 3. Okay, okay. Oh, we're getting in for my boys. Send some slots. Bro, I don't even know where my privacy is. There we go. We're hitting more now. Yeah, they checked out residential and PC. Damn, why do all these get declined? How many so far? Good question. Let me see. We're on 1, 2, 3, 4 so far. Huh. I mean, 4 pairs. Not bad. I guess we're still going. We'll see if we can't get some more. Did I get another one? Payment declined. So apparently my privacy account is on pause. So I missed out on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs so far. I can only imagine, those are all base sizes by the way. I can just imagine there's gonna be a lot more where that came from. Because my privacy account is on pause. There's no notification or anything about that. It's just on pause. Alright guys, so as you can see on my screen now, this is my bot, my custom bot we're working on. You guys have seen it a lot. We've checked out, I don't know if you can see it up here, it says failed checkouts 3. Very unfortunate. Of course, due to my privacy card. I didn't even want to see how many declines we have. 14, 15, 16 pairs we missed out on. Because privacy, here's what it says. Your account was paused at the time of this transaction. Okay, alright. Love that. Oh, we got one, finally. Thank God, we got one checkout that I can actually keep and it'll actually get shipped to me. Another card decline, boys, let's go. Man, this is bad, boys, this is bad. I can't believe I up this bad, because I knew my privacy account was paused, but the error went away and everything, and I never got an email to say, okay, whatever, it's fine. We'll see, boys. Good luck if you're going for undefeated. I'm gonna go manual, see if I can't cop. I've copped before in undefeated, I think. Let's see if I can't add didn't have the cart. God damn it, bro. I never really do this. But I'm gonna have to call it here. I really am. With the privacy thing, I really just can't get any more pairs. I mean, I can charge my debit card, 2, 3 debit cards I can really use right now since the other one's up. So, not really, I don't know, like, I don't know what else to do. Not a good drop. We've checked out maybe 6 or 7 pairs, which granted, that's not a bad drop. I mean, I was really hoping like for a lot more. I guess we'll count up how many declines we have. But after that, I'm just gonna get some sleep. I stayed up all night waiting for this. I mean, the good part is we learn from it. I mean, every L that you take is obviously you're gonna learn from it. So we know what we need to do for mochas. Hopefully we can get it done. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 18, 19, 20, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we should have had 36, 37 pairs. Splash first one to open for me. So I'm not even gonna run that. Should have had a lot more pairs. I mean, shoulda, coulda, woulda, obviously, but we'll see. For mochas, it should be a lot better. I'm gonna get my card situation figured out, and get more servers and all that stuff. So, should be a lot of fun. Hopefully, Datadome doesn't do too bad for us. I mean, I had a Foot Locker which didn't have Datadome today. I don't know. So we'll see. We'll see how it works out.
How's it going, man? Good to see you, bro.